In today's video, I am going to teach you how to export Watchlist from Tradingview. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click, how to prepare your list, and what to expect during the download so you can quickly back up your symbols or move them into a spreadsheet. Start by opening Tradingview. On the right side of the screen, you'll see a vertical toolbar. The very first icon at the top is the Watchlist icon. Click it, and a panel will slide open along the right edge. This panel is where all your saved symbols live, so it's the place we'll work from. With the Watchlist panel open, look toward the top right corner of this panel. You'll see an advanced view icon that looks like a spreadsheet or table. Click that to switch into the full list or table view. This layout displays your symbols in a structured grid, which makes it easier to review details and ensures the export will reflect what you see. Before you export, take a moment to put things in the order you want. In the table view, you can sort by clicking the column headers such as symbol, last, or change, so your watch list appears exactly how you'd like it to be saved. Clicking a header will toggle the sort order, and whatever order you are viewing now is what Tradingview will use in the exported file. This is helpful if you want your most important tickers at the top or if you prefer sorting alphabetically. When your list looks right, stay in the full list view and look again at the top right of the Watchlist panel. Click the download button to begin the export process. The icon typically resembles a downward arrow, and selecting it tells Tradingview to package your current watchlist into a spreadsheet friendly file that you can save on your computer. A quick note about plan requirements: exporting is only available on paid Tradingview plans. If you are on the free plan, you may find the download button is grayed out, or that clicking it prompts you to upgrade. That's expected behavior. Once your account is on a supported paid plan, the export starts right away from this same button. After you click download on a supported plan, Tradingview will generate a file you can open in tools like Excel or Google Sheets. It's a convenient way to archive your symbols, share a clean list with collaborators, or prepare data for analysis outside the platform. That's it. Thanks for watching.